Hello and welcome to Slow and Steady English. I'm Nora.
Hello and welcome to Slow and Steady English. I am Ayaan. Today we will practice past tense.
Okay, that sounds fun. Great! Today we will talk about yesterday.
Sounds good. What happened?
Listen carefully, repeat slowly.
Let's begin.
Ayaan? Is that you?
Yes, Nora. I am going to the hospital.
Oh, are you okay?
I am not feeling well now. Repeat with me. I am going to the hospital. I am not feeling well. Where are you going now?
I am going for an evening walk.
Who is with you?
My dog is with me.
What is his name?
His name is Max. Repeat after me. I am going for an evening walk. My dog is with me. His name is Max.
Nora, I was absent yesterday. I did not go to college yesterday. So tell me, what did you do yesterday at college?
Oh, yesterday I went to college.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 a.m. early in the morning.
How did you go to college?
I walked to the bus stop. Then I took the bus.
At what time did you reach the college?
I reached college at 9 a.m. yesterday. Repeat after me. I went to college yesterday. I took the bus. I reached college at 9 a.m.
What did you do after you reached the college?
I entered the college gate. I showed my ID card to the security guard. Repeat after me. I entered the college gate. I showed my ID card.
What happened in the class?
The teacher came to the class. She asked us to submit our computer science record. I submitted my record.
What did the teacher do with the record?
She corrected the record. Then she returned the records to the students. Repeat after me. The teacher asked us to submit the record. I submitted my record. She corrected the record. She returned the record.
Did the teacher say anything else?
Yes. She told us that she will take a test on Monday.
What did she tell you to prepare?
She told us to prepare the second chapter. She gave us important notes for the test. Repeat after me. She told us to prepare second chapter. She gave important notes.
Did you write the important points for the test?
Yes, I wrote the important points for the test.
Friends, notice the verbs.
We used present tense and past tense.
Listen carefully and repeat after us. Go, went.
Is, was, are, were.
Feel, felt.
Meet, met.
Walk, walked.
Take, took.
Wake, woke.
Enter, entered.
Show, showed.
Sit, sat.
Come, came.
Ask, asked.
Correct, corrected.
Return, returned.
Tell, told.
Give, gave.
Eat, ate.
Drink, drank.
Talk, talked.
Share, shared. Note, noted.
Friends, these are past tense verbs. Now it's your turn.
We use them to talk about yesterday. Now practice with us. I will tell present tense. You try to tell past tense of that verbs. Go. Ask. Give. Meet. Take. Enter. Sit. Ask. Return.
Thank you, Nora.
You're welcome. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and never give up.
That's great advice. Thank you.
Meet you in next episode. Goodbye!